Okay. I was just telling you that I was very surprised this morning because I only had one session of weight loss acupuncture, and I could feel this morning how I was all over in general. I could feel less heavy, but I could particularly feel my legs that I wasn't retaining so much water. Even after yesterday, I was laughing with my husband because even after yesterday I had the chocolate lava cake, and which I had to have, but still this morning I could feel that I wasn't so heavy as the first time when I came over to have the session, and right now I had the facial lift, and I always complain that I always feel like I have this area more lower. But I can actually feel the results also on the first session, so I'm very impressed.